हरिः कर्ता।
So now let's look into the few more aspects of this access codes and ticks. That's like how to locate the ticks and how to format the ticks. So that's what we'll be seeing. That's tick locators and formats. So each axis has a tick locator and formatter. So that choose where along the axis objects to put tick marks. So a simple interface to do this, a simple method to do this is set underscore xticks, set underscores xticks. Okay, so it's tick locators and formatters. So let me take a similar example. Let me copy this directly from here, but this time it's 2 by 1, not 1 by 2 plot. Sorry, 2 and 1, and execute. Yeah, we got it. It's a 2 by 1, so 2 rows. So we got it. So this is index 0 and index 1. Next, let's add our plots. This is axs0, this is axs1, the bottom one. So first let's work with the top one. So the top one, so top subplot. So first one, so axs of 0, let's add a plot and arguments one by one. So first on x-axis x data, on y-axis it's data 1, and execute, and here is that the top plot has been plotted. Now want to add a title to that, so let me copy this directly and paste it here, and here I'm gonna say set title. Okay, set title, and inside that the name I'm gonna give automatic ticks, and here is that your title has been displayed and it's been reflected. Okay, this is what we have done here. So now we'll be working on second plot, that's the bottom plot. I'll say bottom bottom subplot. As usual, we'll take a similar one for the plotting, but here we are gonna add some locators. That's the only difference, to show you both at the same canvas. So here I'm gonna say 1 and execute, and here is that. See, both has been plotted, but now the magic happens. So ax of 1. Now inside that I'm gonna add set xticks. Nope, set underscore xticks. So inside that, for that I have to use another array, np.arrange. It's 0 to 100 and make 30 fractions or 30 parts. So that's done. The first argument, no, this is wrong, they should not. Yeah, done. Then the second argument here would be another sequence saying 0, it's a locator, 30 and 60 and 90. Clear? And here is that. This is how we locate it and we mark it. Tick located, we located the tick and we formatted the tick mark. So it starts with 0 and then till 100. How many fractions we made? 100 divided by 30. So how many fractions will get by, so 33, 33, 33. So approximately, sorry, you'll get approximately 3 fractions. Let's take 4. So now what happened? The first one begins with the first one, 0. So there it came 0, and after that the second one is 30, then after that 60, then after that you will get a 90. So that's how we can format, we can locate the tick, and we can format the tick. So here, just to have our, if you want to modify, let me modify in a better way. So I'll make it 20 so that we can have a clear picture. So I'll say 0 again, and this is 20, and here we'll have 40, 20. I'll just make it as 60 and 80. So here I will write 20. So here I am gonna write 60, 60. Here I am gonna write by. Okay, and execute and see the magic. So let me add one more just to have fun. Nuru. Anyway, that's out of bound. So let me make it 101 here. Now you will get it. You see that? Nuru. So 0, 20, 40, 60, and enabai, and Nuru. So that's how I have located using an array, and I have formatted using another sequence, a Python sequence. So, and I will title it as, I can change the title name so that, let me change the title name, axs of 1 dot set title to manual ticks. And here is that this is automatic ticks were created by the matplotlib, and this is was created by me, customized by me. Then we don't need to specify the label specifically, so I can just say axs of 1 dot set yticks. I just want to focus on yticks also. So in yticks, I'll take 1 directly from, I want it from minus 1.5 to 0 with 1.5 types of fractions. And here is that minus 1.5, 0, 1.5. Okay, so that's how we manually tick our graphs. So different scales can have different locators and formatters. For instance, the log scale that we have used in this example, this log scale that we have used is in this example could use log locator and log formatter. The normal locator and normal formatter may not work. It will use a log locator and log formatter, and to do this ticking and mark format.